Guys, I'm back. Here I am, guys. I think I just had some quick realization during the past week. And I don't know, maybe it's because my period had passed and I'm not depressed anymore. Sometimes I think my dream doesn't have to be something like a job. Like I want to be a lawyer or something. I figured out that my dream is to explore the world and to enjoy my existence and to just live the life to the fullest, explore cultures, explore how life itself circulates and how I just really want to enjoy my life and that's it. I've come to this quote. I've come to this motto kanina nung pagkagising ko. I said, the moment you wake up and decide that you want to surrender yourself to the societies, the moment you lose yourself, the moment you lose your identity. Because why are we pleasing everyone? What's the catch of pleasing everyone? Yes, for the sake of validation, maybe. But in the end, does that give you pleasure? It, it might give you pleasure, short time, you know? Time. Yes, matutuwa sa yung tao, but then they're gonna leave you. And what's left behind you? Wala. You didn't end up satisfying your spirit, satisfying what you actually wanted to do. The moment you try to please everyone, it's gonna be a cycle. And you might not be able to go out of it, or you might not be able to ialis yung sarili mo to that. If tatanungin niyo ako, am I a people I am a once a people pleaser. But the suffering wasn't worth it because I was hurting myself in the process while there was no one helping me through it. There are people gives who give me encouraging advice or help me, but I think it also needs to it also needs to the validation should come up to you. I think na wait lang. I think the only validation you need is the validation that you come up with yourself. Because at the end of the day, as what I've said, you need to feed, you need to flourish your spirit. And the only thing that who could do it is you. Diba? How do you actually do it? Well, for me, simple pleasure is like, maybe try to go outside, you know? Try to go outside na wala kang kasama. Try to just observe and see. Just try to nourish the moment. Just try mo lang siya i-absorb. And you'll see, there's a peace in that. Give yourself some time to reflect, and observe what are the things that you need to improve. What else? What else? Maybe try doing something that matagal mo nang gustong gawin pero hindi mo nagagawa at some point. Like, girl, what's stopping you? Literally. because di kaya ng time mo. I doubt that. I think you can do that. Even if mawala ka ng time. The thing is, nabusog yung spirit mo with that journey, you know. Also, I just learned na sometimes you just have to not control yourself at some point. I'm not saying you don't control yourself all the time, but there are some certain situations where you don't need control. You just have to let yourself be into that situation. And in that, may kita mo how you react to that certain event. And you're gonna realize, oh, I'm like this. Oh, I actually like that. Oh, I'm actually into this stuff, you know. And be open to change. I think you also have to stop listening to other people's opinion and start following your gut. If you ever ask your friends about picking an outfit, do you like this? This actually looks good on me. Do I deserve this? Actually, yes. And you don't need anyone's opinion. If gusto mo yun, and look for someone's you're gonna look for someone's opinion and validate it, you actually don't need it. Because if gusto mo, then go get it, di ba? But why are you looking at other people's opinion? Kasi ikaw din naman, I mean, why are you looking at other people's opinion if that doesn't, I think, if that doesn't actually benefit them or yung benefit is sa'yo. If if you're gonna look for someone's opinion and magko-contradict yun sa gusto mo, and you're gonna get conclusions, there's gonna be a confusion between yourself and your mind. What do I actually like, diba? So sometimes you just have to follow your guts, babe. You don't need anyone's advice and try to figure it out yourself. Try to learn it from yourself, you know? It all comes naturally into yourself. So, I don't know, start start nourishing yourself by developing and learning things by yourself. I think the more you have a stronger relationship with yourself, is the more you're is the more na you won't actually need validations from everybody because you already know your identity. And when you know your identity, pag sinabi ng tao na pag sinabihan ka ng tao na something na it isn't actually true about you, you actually already know it eh. Na hindi mo naman gagawin yun. So you just ignore it. You just let the negativity come. I mean, you just let the negativity go away because you're self assured and you have this strong security within you. So I say, start listening to yourself.